What's going on, guys? Adrian here with Elevate Audio. So we want to talk to you about drone mobile. And drone mobile is basically, okay, in the most simplest terms possible, being able to remote start your car from your phone. Okay, so the benefits to this is we're going to know what the temperature inside the vehicle is. We have the ability to be able to do GPS tracking, geo-fencing, curfew alerts, all of the fun stuff, right? But the big kicker here is that there's no range limitations, okay? If you have cell phone service, you can start your car. Here's a good example, okay? We're gonna hit this control button right here, and we can go ahead and just lock the car, okay? You hear the chirp? We can unlock the car, okay? We can swipe the screen over here. We have panic, we have trunk release, and our different auxiliary functions. Okay, so start, real simple. Start, stop, press and hold. Green bar goes around. And the vehicle starts. Look, it doesn't get any more simple than this, okay? We have our battery voltage display. Everything is displayed right here on the application. Let us know exactly where we're at, what's going on with the vehicle. And that's drone mobile. Listen, you could be inside the hospital, start your car even though you're parked 2 miles away, okay? Listen, last year when I was in Florida, it was negative 20 degrees here. I was able to start my car so that way I could ensure I did not come back from vacation with a dead battery, okay? Listen, drone mobile.